Salut tout le monde! Hello everyone! Today we are going to take a look at BANGS adjectives. BANGS adjectives are adjectives that come before the noun. In French in general, adjectives come after the noun, but BANGS adjectives are before the noun. So I've had some students to ask how we know when to use which of these, and we're going to go over that in just a minute. So the reason we call these BANGS adjectives, this is an acronym for beauty, age, newness, goodness, and size. And the list is much longer, but we are only going to look at these since they are irregulars. So for the masculine form, if you have a masculine singular noun, you're going to use beau, nouveau, bon, vieux, and joli. If your noun is masculine and plural, it's going to sound the same, but you're adding an X or an S. For example, beau, nouveau, bon, vieux, and joli. Now for the feminine form, here you have beau masculine. For feminine you have belle. Feminine singular, belle, nouvelle, bonne, vieille, and jolie. And if your noun is feminine and plural, it's going to sound the same, but you see you have S's. Belle, nouvelle, bonne, vieille, and jolie. For belle, nouvelle, and vieille, for these irregulars, if you have a masculine noun that begins with a vowel sound, you would use these, belle, nouvelle, and vieille. For example, appartement is masculine and it begins with a vowel sound. So that would be bel appartement, nouvel appartement, and vieil appartement. I hope this helps.